Hello guys, here is IST with a new weekly analysis on GBPUSD. So let's begin. Let's look on monthly. Monthly, it had like right now we are at the middle of the month, and look at the clock 9:11. um, yeah, the the month started pretty bearish, and now we see some rejection out of it. So um, it it looks a little bit bullish looking on monthly. Then zooming in on weekly, I see that after this liquidity run, there has been some big rejection and also a change of character. And even if this candle closed bullish, there was no liquidity taken. And yeah, just not not this much. Well, even if there was no liquid taken and nothing, this is still a bullish candle. This is still a gap in here. And this is still a inverse um, imbalance. Well, looking on weekly, I do see this inverse imbalance, but yeah, to be honest, it's yeah just this inverse imbalance. Then I do see this order block, and this is a valid order block in my point of view, which pushed the price lower, and this is a bearish range. And also, when measuring with Fibonacci, there wasn't the 75% level wasn't touched yet. Although if measuring body to body, the 50 like the price reacted right from the 50% level, so it may has completed the pullback and it may go straight higher, but it has to be seen right now because, as I said, no liquidity has been taken. So um, two main scenarios on weekly time frame. It's like basically at this moment the price is between this order block and this imbalance or this um, gap. And so what it could be, what it could do is basically go to the order block and then keep going lower, or I don't know, like this is the short level, one of the short levels, or otherwise go basically to the imbalance or to the gap and then going higher. I don't know, I didn't draw it very well, but you got the idea. So moving a little bit lower on daily, I see that the daily is bullish, the daily swing is bullish, the internal is bearish, but the fractal just kind of turned bullish. So right now I'm lying bullish because there are a lot of bullishness, right? Even if this range is bearish, there are a lot of bullishness, and the daily is also bullish. So the Friday closed bullish, made the bullish range. Um, yeah, just this is just what it is. So uh, keeping it on daily. Um, see that the daily reacted strongly from this gap, like this gap. So it's like very, very possible that at least Monday is gonna keep going higher. But now depends where it's going to push from. And for me, a good level would be this order block. If the price gonna start like short and then get some price action, some change of character inside this order block, will be a great trade. Uh, if not, not. But yeah. So although I'm bullish, at least Monday, it has to be like from a good level. And then I gotta be cautious to this order block, then to this imbalance that it's basically has been respected and push the price, and also like, yeah, just this. And going a little bit lower on 4 hour. Well, I see that inside the imbalance is this 4 hour order block, right? This one. And it has taken liquidity, so it's a valid order block. But me personally, on this broker hasn't it wasn't touched, but I don't know if it's gonna hold. Again, it's once the price gets in here, there are needed some more confluences in order to place a short, or you know, if not to place a short, and like just to, yeah, like this is a level where I gotta be cautious. Either scale down the longs or close the longs or place a short, depends on the price action. And then the last level is this one, which I've talked a lot about. Make it visible on daily. It's matching pretty much with this order block on daily. I'll call it order block, but it's not necessarily order block. And also this imbalance, it's strong because it's matching with this inverse imbalance, and like a lot of confluences. And then this order block in here match, I guess, with this range. I don't know if it's accurate measurement. Yeah, like with 75% or upper quarter of this range. I don't know. Um, it's hard to say. It's just a level I'm looking at if it is to place a short or something. But to be honest, if the price pushes past those levels, most probably gonna keep just getting higher and higher. But yeah, it's to see what's going to happen. Yeah, I hope you understood something. This is my plan basically, like just to summarize it. I got this daily range, like candle, final closure, which left kind of order block behind. So inside this imbalance, the daily completed a pullback. So like pretty much of a pullback. The weekly close bullish, like there are confluences, and what I'm expecting Monday at least, it's some pullback inside this order block or something like this, and then a continuation higher. So those being said, I hope you enjoyed the analysis. I hope you have learned something, and wish you a lucky week. So, and a restricted week. Bye bye. See you next to the next analysis.